In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of your Slack account in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Slack or have been using it for a while, it's always helpful to know how to sign out, especially if you share your device with others or simply want to ensure your account's security. Let's delve into this straightforward process so you can manage your Slack sessions with ease. To get started, you'll first need to access Slack. This can be on your desktop app, through your web browser, or even on the mobile app, whatever your usual way of accessing Slack is. Once you're in, take a moment to orient yourself with the interface. You'll notice your workspace name and your profile details right at the top left corner of the screen. That's where we're heading next, so go ahead and click on your name or your profile picture located in that top left corner. Doing this will bring up a drop-down menu that has several options. These options are how Slack makes it easy to navigate different settings and preferences within the platform. Now, within this drop-down menu, keep an eye out for an option that says Sign Out. It should be a simple choice near the bottom of the menu. Selecting this option is the crucial step for logging out of your account, so simply click on Sign Out. It's like giving yourself a digital goodbye for that session. At this point, you might encounter a prompt asking you to confirm your decision to log out. This is Slack's way of making sure you really mean to sign out, as it prevents accidental logouts that might be inconvenient, especially if you were mid-conversation or working on something important. If you see this prompt, just confirm your choice and proceed. It's a small step, but important to ensure you won't be losing any unfinished work or missing important notifications. After you've confirmed, you'll find yourself logged out of that specific workspace. Remember, if you're part of multiple workspaces on Slack, you'll only be logged out of the one you specifically signed out from. This logout specificity is handy if you want to maintain access to some workspaces and not others. Just repeat the process for any additional accounts you wish to sign out from. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to log out of your Slack account. Keeping your sessions controlled not only helps in maintaining privacy, but also keeps your communication organized. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you enjoyed it or found it useful, feel free to like and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials and tech tips. See you in the next video.